Hi, I'm going to teach you two of the most important commands on any computer, and that's copy and paste. And while I'm talking, you'll see everything I type on the keyboard will appear down here in this black box. So let's say I have this name of this book and I want to go search for it in Google Books. I could retype the whole thing or I could copy it. And there's two ways I can do that. I highlight the whole title of the book by clicking and dragging, and I can right click, and that gives me a big menu with lots of options, and one of them is copy. So I can copy that piece of text, and then if I go into my internet browser, I can paste it by doing the same. So when I right click in the search field, I'm given a paste option, and that allows me to search for that title. The other way to do that is to use the keyboard shortcut, which is even quicker. So I can type Control, and while I'm holding down Control, I just press the letter C once. Control C. And then if I go back to my search bar, I will just delete that out, and I can paste doing Control V. So once again, hold down Control and hit V, and that fills in the text that I had copied. And this goes not only from Microsoft Word into an internet browser, but basically from any one place to another. So I found this book, but Google Books doesn't let me read the full thing. So what I can do, actually, is I make sure that I have this copied, and I can go into the library catalog, for instance, paste, and then search here, and I see that the library does indeed have a copy of this book, so I could just go check that out. Additionally, there are some formatting options that you're given. So I have a copy of the Constitution here that I'm looking at online, and there's a lot of formatting in this. There's different colors and sizes of fonts. This is a big link. So if I click and drag and highlight all that, I can copy it with Control C, Control C. And then I can go into Microsoft Word. And when I right click, I'm actually given several different ways to paste. And when you hover over it, it'll kind of show you a preview of the different ones. So this one makes it look just like it did on the web. So you can see that that link there is blue and clickable. But I can also make it take on the formatting of the document that I'm pasting into, and I can make it just text only. So that can be very useful. If I do a text only paste, now I have the Constitution, but without all that messy formatting that was on the web. Okay, that was copy and paste.